Hi everyone, this is Phil Travis, and it's week 5 here at EOU in World History 111, World History Part 1. This week I'm going to make this announcement, this part of the announcement, short because your extra credit factoid, which is directly related to what we're doing in the discussion forum, is connected to the video just below this video announcement. So I want you to watch that, and it's about 7 minutes long, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the Roman Empire. I'm going to talk a little about the Roman history from monarchy to republic to empire, and then I'm going to mention a couple of things that are connected to what we are doing in the discussion forum, at least part of the discussion forum for this week. The discussion forum this week, too, is a little bit different. Rather than usual one post, two replies, 2 separate days, this week I want you to do 2 posts, 1 reply, 2 separate days. So basically the same, except I want 2 posts as opposed to 2 replies. We're looking at Greece and Rome this week, which is a pretty fun topic. And so we have 2 sort of components to the discussion forum this week. One connected to Greece and the other connected to Rome. And like I said, I'm going to try to make this part of the announcement short so you can get to watching the video below, which is connected to your factoid for this week. It will also help you think about the discussion forum. The other major thing I want to mention, aside from our reading, we're reading chapter 7 this week, and I have a couple of video lectures for you on Greece and also on Rome. So be sure to watch those. They'll really help you in terms of the week's activities and, of course, with the coming next test in a few weeks. We have a paper due this week, and in this class I'd like everybody to write the first paper, and then if you want, I have a second paper option at the end of the term, and if you feel like you need to pull up your paper score, you can do the second paper, and I drop the lowest grade, so it can't hurt you. I have a guide, I have a prompt for the paper, and I have a guide for the paper in terms of a video. So I have a video out there for you that you can watch that is kind of like the how-to of what I expect on the paper. And I'll tell you right now, what I really look for in the paper, I want 3 different academic sources. In like a .com website is not an academic source. I'd like to see you use our library services. If you're not in LeGrand, you can access many digital collections through our library website. So I'm looking for, and you can use your textbook as one of these sources, but I'm looking for a book or a couple of articles or something like this. And there's lots of digital sort of academic works that you can access digitally. So you should be able to do this no problem. I want to see 3 different academic works. And then when you look at the prompt, you'll see the options for the paper sort of subject areas. I want you to make a specific argument. So if you do the one on the legacy and the influence of Greece and Rome, or Greece, for example, don't write a paper that tries to summarize the greatest hits of Greece. Architectural innovations, philosophical innovations, political influence. Don't just go through and summarize the greatest hits. Instead, choose one aspect and make a specific argument. Make a specific argument about why Athenian democracy is so influential long term, for example. Have a specific thesis and make a clear, specific argument that you defend throughout the paper. That's what I really look for on these papers more than anything else. But please do, I have the prompt in there. Of course, the submission site is in your modules area as well. But I also have that brief little video lecture on the papers. So please be sure to watch that so you kind of understand everything that I'm looking for. It's short. It's like 7 minutes. Okay. The factoid for this week is the video below, the top one. So there's 2 videos in there, and that's because the 2 videos are kind of related. And you only have to watch the first one, but I thought, if somebody's, hears me reference the one before it, then you can go down below and click that and watch that one too. The second video is only a couple minutes long. The first video is about 7 minutes, and I'm not going to reveal exactly what it's about yet. I want you to watch it, watch the whole thing, and then send me your factoid, your email by Wednesday by midnight. Just tell me a little bit about what the video is about. And it's pretty straightforward. Just watch it, email me no later than Wednesday by midnight. If you wind up seeing it on Thursday, send it to me anyway. I'm actually pretty flexible, and nice with things like that. I want to see you watching these. I think it'll really help us in learning the subject. So I hope you enjoy it. It's an example of some of the videos I like to do for my classes when I travel abroad. So I hope everybody really enjoys it, and I'm looking forward to hearing everybody's factoid response to me. Hopefully no later than Wednesday by midnight to get your bonus point on a test added to your grade at the end of the term. So let's have a great week, and let me know if you have any questions.